And with these hot temperatures settling in, we know many of you will have your air conditioning running overtime tomorrow.
Not everybody has that luxury, though. The single father in Thornton and his 11-month-old boy have been without air conditioning for the past month.
And he says his property management hasn't done anything to get it fixed. Here is Denver 7's Colette Bordelon.
Listen closely in Blake Skelton's apartment, and you'll hear the fans, all of the fans.
And it wasn't too bad really until this past weekend when we got that heat wave.
Despite the fans and blacked out windows,
100 degrees outside, it was 90 degrees in here.
there was no stopping that heat without a working AC.
It's 86 now. I'd say it was miserable. Like me and him, we went for a drive just to get some air conditioning in the car. He couldn't even take a nap because it was so hot.
Skelton says his AC hasn't been working since April and that he's submitted several maintenance requests to Meadows at Town Center in Thornton.
They had someone come yesterday. I wasn't home, I was at work. And all they did was change the air filter, and that didn't help at all.
We tried calling the apartments to see what they had to say.
Get in touch directly with them.
And eventually we were transferred.
Your call has been forwarded.
But haven't heard back yet.
The warranty of habitability actually doesn't cover AC here in Colorado.
Associate Attorney William O'Donnell explained the warranty of habitability for us today, which has a list of the health and safety issues covered under the law for renters.
If the current climate continues to heat up, the warranty of habitability may be addressed.
He says there's always the chance laws could be changed, but says the best thing renters can do is keep track of all their correspondence with the landlord. I looked through Skelton's lease and didn't see AC specifically mentioned.
Yeah, it's just not good for a child to be in that kind of heat inside an apartment.
But at the end of the day, all he really wants is a home that stays cool during the summer. Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.